Welcome to my YouTube channel ELECTRO-TECH UG. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. And keep this in mind.
Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to learn how to make a simple amplifier circuit using a few electrical components which we shall see. So as you can see, I'm playing a song from my phone, and the speaker is just directly connected to the sound that you can hear from that speaker. So we are going to amplify this sound to a more audible sound using my simple amplifier circuit. Yes, let's dive into this. So as you can see, our circuit is already complete. Wiring diagram. This is the wiring diagram. So as you can see, these are batteries. These are lithium batteries, but I've just connected them in parallel, meaning the voltage output will remain the same, just to increase on the ampere hours, but the voltage output is 5 volt depending on the discharge rate, but ampere hours are around 4000. So this is our transistor. It is 50N06 with the pin configuration of BDS. This is our audio jack. This is our capacitor and our speaker. This is a 4.7 microfarad capacitor. Yeah. And this is a 1K resistor. So basically the connection, you will follow the wiring diagram, but maybe to go through it, our source is just grounded or connected to the neutral of our power source. Then the audio jack, one of the terminals is connected, one of the wires is connected to the capacitor, and the other also grounded according to the negative of our power source. Then the drain, we have a resistor connected between the gate and the drain. As you've seen, this is our gate to the resistor, and from the resistor back to the drain. So it's from the drain that we connect to the speaker, one of the terminals of the speaker, and the other terminal is connected to the source. So after connecting the audio jack, we find that our speaker is producing audible sound. That's our amplifier. So you can as well connect bigger speakers.